Look at them.
I know they're
Maybe,
coming.
maybe they are coming for you.
Maybe.
For this protocol. Look, you are in front of those people. They are. Told you, sure. Beautiful. All are happy. They are parading, walking around. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Beautiful! Oh, cool. Oh, man. Yeah, good. Salam. Oh, oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Marco. Marco.
Would you like
Yeah.
Thank you.
Woohoo! All are happy. They are enjoying their life. It's called freedom. Good.
Crazy, right?
Beautiful.
Right.
So, look at you girls.
Aw.
Like a
Festive.
like angel. No, you guys fly.
We are flying.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, here's a coupon. You can shop with us at Arrow early this Sunday with VIP event. Welcome.
A panda parade. Panda parade. They are just enjoying.
Sorry.
इस्लाम आज बिल्कुल डिफरेंट लग रही है बट द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल माशाल्लाह All our people.
Cookie and a little
So, have you ever seen one of these before? So this is called a spinning plate. So what we do?
Ah.
So, all the way. There you go. Do you want to try too? Yeah. Okay, come on over.
How did you learn?
Well, I learned when I was about 11.
Oh, you are still 11. Come on, maybe 11 and a half. See, really very professional. Do you have any shop like this?
Sorry?
Do you have any shop?
No. We got hired by the mall.
Oh, then from where?
Yep.
You are from where?
So we're based out of Marengo.
Maringo.
So you can do a couple different tricks, like toss it up in the air and catching it, or you can try balancing it on your hand. Like that. You want to try one? I want to give it a try. Alright, let's see. Let's see if you can do it.
Oh!
Try it one more time. Let's go and hit this one. See. Oh, you caught it almost. Try one more time.
It'd be crazy if we just go over.
Hello. How are you guys?
We got Glisten here.
Yeah. What's your name? Mary? Mission?
And we also got Stubby from Marcus.
Marcus. Marcus Theater.
We got some coupons from Brother.
Welcome, welcome today.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go. Everyone are saying. Good luck. Wow, man. See? Oh, are you trying to fish? Fishing? Wow. What a good technique. How tall you are?
About 9 feet.
9 feet. Wow. 9 feet taller, man. The taller in the world.
Sorry?
Taller person in the world.
No, I think there's like 11 feet.
This one, 11?
Higher, yeah.
Then don't say 9, man. Correct it. 11. What's your name?
I'm a nutcracker.
Huh?
The nutcracker.
Do you have any shop or showroom, something?
Well, I work with a company
Which company?
called RC Juggles.
RC
We were
Jagger.
hired by Gurney to entertain.
Entertain, yeah.
Yes, sir.
They always do.
Yes, sir.
Señor, mucho bien.